Hey foodies, are you ready to satisfy your taste buds? I'm back with another quick and simple recipe, the famous butter beans and saltfish. This is easily one of Jamaica's favorite breakfast menu. Let's get into it. Let's start off with 2 cans of Grace Classic butter beans. Remove the beans from the can and rinse with water. Cut or chop your vegetables. Here I have bell peppers, onions, garlic, and Scotch bonnet peppers, along with salt fish that's already boiled to remove the excess salt. Check out the list of ingredients in the description box. To a hot frying pan, add the oil of your choice. Add onion and Scotch bonnet peppers. Add your bell peppers, stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Release all the flavors in the pan. Listen to that sizzle. You smell what Roxy's cooking. Add the saltfish. Stir ingredients for 1 to 2 minutes. Now for the star of the show, the creamy butter beans. Now add your powder seasoning. Black pepper, Old Bay, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder. The ketchup is optional. The finish looks absolutely amazing. I know you are all loving this already. Beautiful. Now let's move on to the next part of the meal. Wash and cut in small pieces some pumpkin and corn. You can use any ground provision you like. To a pot of boiling water, add food. I've added a few dumplings. By now, you know I love dumplings. Mix and let it cook for 20-30 minutes. Watch that pot bubble. Now we are fully done and ready to eat. This meal goes well for any time of the day. Spice it up your way and enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. Thanks for watching.